First, warm the bike up to operating temperature. Place a suitable container under the bike and put foil on the exhaust pipe. Remove the left engine oil drain plug located in the crankcase. Wipe any accumulated debris from the magnetic tip of the drain plug, then clean and check the aluminum washer and replace if needed. Unscrew and remove the dipstick from the oil fill hole. Replace the O-ring if torn or damaged. After the oil is drained, tilt the bike to the right to drain any remaining oil from the right side of the engine. Remove the oil drain plug under the clutch cover. Again, wipe any accumulated debris from the magnetic tip of the drain plug, then clean and check the aluminum washer and replace if needed. After the oil is drained, tilt the bike to the left to drain any remaining oil from the left side of the engine. To replace the oil filter cartridge, remove the 2 screws to detach the oil filter cover. Then remove the filter cartridge from the cover. Clean the cover and inside of the filter recess in the crankcase. Remove any debris. Apply a light coat of clean engine oil to the rubber contact surface on the new filter cartridge. Push your new oil filter cartridge into the cover until properly seated. Insert the filter into the crankcase, then insert the fastening screws and tighten to 97 inch-pounds. Install both drain plugs after the oil is thoroughly drained. Tighten the left engine oil drain plug to 18 foot-pounds. Tighten the right engine oil drain plug to 11 foot-pounds. Fill oil through filler dipstick hole using the recommended oil. Oil capacity with filter change is approximately 2.7 quarts. Screw the dipstick into the oil fill hole. Make sure it's properly seated. Start the engine, then verify that the oil pressure signal lamp on the instrument cluster turns off after a few seconds when engine speed is at 1000 RPM or above. Check the oil filter cover, then drain plugs and oil cooler for leaks. Ride the bike for 10 minutes and at least 5 miles to verify that the engine is hot and is at normal operating temperature. Let the bike idle for 3 minutes standing upright, not on the side stand. Then shut off the motor and loosen the dipstick. Let it sit another 3 to 4 minutes still standing upright. Unscrew the dipstick, wipe it clean, and screw it back in completely. Remove the dipstick again and verify that the oil level is between minimum and maximum. Add oil in 3.4 ounce increments if needed. When correct oil level is reached, hand tighten the dipstick into the filler hole and you're done.